the 2019 Chrysler Pacifica. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a power seat, a power liftgate, blind spot sensor, and power windows. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you